As per our STEPN cost forecast, the cost of GMT is anticipated to drop by $0.004223 throughout the following 7 days, coming to $0.152198 by September 26, 2023. In the event that you essentially are looking for STEPN market estimate, examination or cost expectation, you presumably need to, as far as plans and purposes might be aware, where the cost of STEPN, GMT, may go later on in an unobtrusive way. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments basically. This value forecast is pointed toward responding to a large portion of your inquiries in an unobtrusive manner. Will STEPN, GMT, in every way that really matters, recover its all-time high? Or so they essentially thought. What will STEPN by and large be certainly worth 1 month from now? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase STEPN in a by and large huge manner especially? Is STEPN at present appearance bullish or negative signs, in spite of prevalent thinking? In this STEPN cost expectation gauge, we will handle different GMT specialized markers to in every way that really matters, anticipate the cost of STEPN, GMT. Value expectations. STEPN financial backers have encountered returns of more than 7.81% on their speculation this truly past week, genuinely because of the bullish period GMT has encountered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the wake of dissecting the specialized markers for GMT, we for the most part expect a slight remedy could really occur over the by and large following couple of days in a significant manner. Beneath you can see the STEPN hourly, day-to-day, week after week and month-to-month cost forecasts in a for the most part large manner. These forecasts expect to provide you with a sign of what STEPN will be essentially worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the sort of the following week, and really 1 month from now in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN, GMT, authentic cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of STEPN most certainly is $0.156421, and it is as of now explicitly position number 134 out of all digital currencies. How much stock presently available for use for STEPN sort of is 1,188,982,337, with an all-out market capitalization of $185,966,675 in a significant manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of STEPN fundamentally has diminished by 0.51%. STEPN most certainly has developed at a sort of consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 7.81%, which is very critical. This increment has STEPN financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they basically have made for the current week, which truly is very critical. Inside the sort of most recent 30 days, the cost of GMT dropped by 6.71%, diminishing its past worth of $0.167672 by $0.011251. This especially current downtrend for the most part implies that STEPN essentially is in plunge right now in an unpretentious way. The cost of STEPN truly has basically dropped by 26.65% over the most recent 3 months, taking out $0.056832 from its past worth of $0.213253. Our STEPN market conjectures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which dissect different specialized pointers, for example, the in every practical sense relative strength file, RSI, moving sort of normal combination difference, MACD moving normal, MAMA most certainly normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB in an unpretentious way. STEPN, GMT, value expectation market estimate. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable. Foreseeing future sticker costs of STEPN is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous really different variables impact the cost. Accordingly, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to, in a real sense, do pretty your actually own exploration. especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to pursuing any venture choices, or so they thought. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2023. As we certainly recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that STEPN will accomplish a greatest cost of $0.281558. As the market generally begins to recuperate in a for the most part significant manner. The base expected cost by and large is $0.187705, and the typical cost will drift around $0.234632. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2024. As STEPN keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, STEPN can accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.437979, while the typical cost for the year will essentially remain around $0.391053. In the event that a bear market shows up, the by and large least value GMT can in a real sense reach in 2024, for the most part is $0.344127. STEPN, GMT, Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we basically anticipate that STEPN should explicitly see great development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas, in spite of prevalent thinking. Subsequently, the cost could in every practical sense reach as high as $0.5944, averaging around $0.547474. STEPN could see an essentially least cost of $0.500548. STEPN, GMT, Value Forecast 2026. With the preceded with development of pretty capital in the crypto market, STEPN could especially arrive at a greatest cost of $0.750822 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.703895 in an unpretentious manner. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation in a real sense sits at $0.656969, which generally is genuinely huge. STEPN, GMT, Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of GMT by nations all over the planet, STEPN can guarantee a greatest cost of $0.907243 by 2027, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.860316 expected, which by and large is genuinely huge. Besides, the base cost for that very year could see $0.813339. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, STEPN reception will essentially keep on ascending, with control